Hello, students. My name is Casey Nguyen. I am at Moreno Valley College. I want to invite you to take my CIS-11 course in the spring 2022. The section for this course is 22530. In this course, you will learn about computer architecture and organization. We will look at low-level programming language, learning LC3, assembly programming language. LC3 is a common programming language for assembly that is taught in a lot of university because this language is easily understood. The instructions are a lot less than other assembly language. And in this course, you will learn about how the processor is created, how it can understand instructions at the low level. This course is a Zoom with the scheduled meeting time, which is going to be on Tuesday and Thursday from 6 to 8 p.m. So you will be required to log on Zoom to learn about the concept and go through LC3 with me. So if you're interested in taking assembly programming in the spring, sign up for CIS-11-22530. I look forward to have you in class, and thank you.